1942 during the Ataco invasion, also bound by the Allied forces in 1945 liberation. Frankly, America did more damage during the retaking. Same thing happened in Manila, the carpet shelling of Intramuros. Once I handled the group of US Marines, they said we were pissed off when they came back. Do you see the black boat? Yes, the name of that boat is Whitey. Now you don't see broken glass anywhere because they were using for window panes then for the American paratroopers retaking in 1945. And to the far right are several houses covered by trees.
Ito lang.